Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we change phone time in our Realme phone. Guys, you want to change your phone time in your Realme phone. So friends, you can change it, and guys now let's see how to change phone time in our Realme phone. In this video guys I will show you. So friends, first of all guys we will on our phone setting, then guys we will scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting guys. Click on guys your system setting guys, tap here. Guys, click on date and time setting. Guys, click on your time setting. So friends, you can see hour and minute list. So you want to change into time into like 4 o'clock. So you can change into 4 o'clock guys. So I change into 4 o'clock like 4 1 guys. AM PM you want to change, you can change from here. So we will change into PM. So friends, you can see your phone time will change into 4 o'clock PM. So like that guys, you can change your phone time setting in your Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.